Good day everyone. Welcome to our tour. My name is Alvin Durin from the TSC Travel and Tours. I am 24 years old and I will be your tour guide for today to the beautiful place called Batanes of the East, Dingalan, Aurora. Beside me is our coach captain, Jomari. Say hi to our coach captain. Before we head to our destination, let me just do head count. 1, 2, 3, 15, 25. Okay, we're complete. So while we are on our way to our first destination, let me give you a few reminders while we're on our tour. Just remember the word trip. TRIP. T stands for time. Sync the time to match with mine so that nobody gets left behind. R stands for respect. Respect each other and enjoy each other's company as we are going to our group tour, and also respect destination. Put your trash in rightful place or put inside your bag. Please avoid throwing your trash around the destination. I stands for instructions. Always remember the instructions on our tour will be smooth. When I whistle once, that means you can have the time to roam around the destination. And when I whistle twice and raise the flag, that means you get ready to leave the destination. Lastly, P stands for precautionary measures. Always be careful when roaming the destination, but in the case of emergencies, don't you worry, I got you because I have here an emergency kit. So now, we're here at our first destination, the Dingalan, Aurora. Dingalan is a town in Aurora known as the Batanes of the East. It has landscape that mimic the rolling hills and blue waters of the islands, Batanes. Located at the eastern part of the country, it showcases a view of the majestic Pacific Ocean. It is believed that the name Dingalan is a Dumagat word means by the river of Galan, because the territory straddles 15 rivers and streams which show the abundance of water. And now, we're here at one of the most famous attractions in Dingalan, the lighthouse. Many tourists came here because of the beautiful scenery. Another breathtaking sight in the island, but somehow similar to the mountain view, although the train to the lighthouse is an opposite path. The trail going up was scenic ocean view, and we can took photos most of the time. Unfortunately, due to the unmindful behaviors of previous travelers, they restricted to open into the public. We weren't allowed to enter the lighthouse. It's now covered with fence and locked up. The lighthouse and the view deck are two vantage points and let you see same view but different perspective. The view deck is a wide standing field and showed us Alamao Caves and a 180-degree view of the Pacific Ocean. Okay tourists, you may now roam and enjoy the view of destination. My dear tourists, please gather around. Your time is up. Is everyone here? Let me just do head count before we hop in our bus. 1, 2, 3, 10, 15, 25. Okay, so everybody's here. Before we leave our destination, do you guys have some questions?
What is the fiesta in Dingalan?
Adaw Dumaget is a Dumagat phrase which translates as Araw ng Tao or People's Day. It's the first Dumagat Day festival in Dingalan, Aurora. It will be held on May 28 to 29, 2018 at the Sitio Cabog, Barangay Batawe, which is the largest Dumagat indigenous people settlement in Dingalan, Aurora Province.
What is Aurora best known for?
Little is known about the province due to its remoteness, but its capital is known for its surfing scene, and the province has one of the largest expanses of rainforest spared from development and also has a hidden beaches and mountains. So are there any additional questions?
None.
So my dear tourists, that is the end of our tour for today. On the behalf of TSC Travel and Tours, we are incredibly appreciative that you have included us in our exciting journey through Dingalan. I hope this trip has provided with new insights and amazing tour. Never forget to have fun and explore. Thank you, tourists.